So yesterday I talked about organic meat and why it's not healthy or humane, but today I'm going to talk about GMOs, what my basic opinions are on them, and why you should always go for the organic option whenever you can. First off, about 80% of GMOs are modified for the sole purpose of being able to withstand pesticides like Roundup and glyphosate pesticides have actually been shown to have harmful effects on humans, and recently we've also found that they kill off bees, and that's a very, very bad fucking problem because without bees, humanity wouldn't exist. This problem is doubly bad because pests are becoming resistant to these pesticides, and GMO crops actually require more pesticides to deal with these pests. So that just means more pesticides on our foods that are causing us harm, and it's going into the ocean, and more issues for bees as well. So basically, about 80% of GMOs are 100% absolutely fucking useless. And tinfoil hat time, Monsanto is a chemical company and they make pesticides. So they just made a fucking product that requires more pesticide use. So what I think happened is they were like, let's trick people into using this bullshit GMO product so that we can sell more fucking pesticides, and because we're manipulative psychopaths, we don't care about the health or environmental consequences. And probably the biggest issue with GMOs that I see is the lack of genetic diversity. Ever since human beings have started using agriculture, we have had issues with reliance on monocrops and genetic diversity. And what the fuck does Monsanto do? They make it even friggin' worse, and they're really just making us headed for another disaster like the potato famine. Plus, I don't think it's a good idea to trust people with our food that have made Agent Orange and think they have a legal right to own life itself. But with all that said, I know not everyone can eat 100% organic. I don't. It can be really expensive, and even if you do have the money, it can be hard to find enough organic food. So look, all this organic and inorganic GMO shit, it's secondary to the biggest issue. People aren't making enough vegan gains. The animal products industry is what we're trying to destroy, so focus on that first. If you can't get everything organic, don't worry, just don't eat meat and animal products. So, hope you found that informative. Keep making those vegan gains, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Beef. What a relief. When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and how.